Hey guys, this is Vrishti Adhikari and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my room tour. So before we get on to the video, I will just request you all that ignore the background voices because I'm living in a society. So maybe there's renters coming and etc. blah blah blah. So please ignore that. So let's get on to the video. So as we get into my room, so I have this cabinet where I keep all my clothes, my makeup, my accessories, my combs and etc. whatever. So it has ample space in here so that my things don't, my clothes especially, they don't spread across my room. So this is my closet, and we have space here. So I am a art person, so I like decorating my room. I like plants, I like soft toys, I like a different art, whatever I find in the market. So I just grab it and for my room. So I have this piece of mandala art. So it's made by my mom. Also, I have my laptop here. I have this small, small decorating piece. So I like to keep it in my room because I believe that keeping such decorative items, small things in your room, it will give you peace, so that you can have a good sleep. Also, I have this, as I said, I'm an art person, so I have this decorating piece, a pot which has basically artificial flowers. So I like flowers. Okay, and because I can't keep real flowers because it's a real headache to change it every day. You have to change it every day. Okay, so I have to bring flowers from the market because I don't do gardening, but I like artificial flowers because it's colorful. I can add any sort of color what I want my flowers to be. Also, I ventilation is really important for a room. So I have plenty of windows, and during the daytime, you can have sunlight. Also, money plant, as I said, I like plants. So yeah, and these are the two closets. So I keep all my charger, my extension cord, and other accessories. So I keep it here. And this, I like software. So this is a software. It was given to me, gifted to me, sorry, by my friend. So I, it's really close to my heart. So I like to keep it here beside my, my bed. Obviously, a room should have a bed. So yeah, I sleep here, I work here. I do all the steps here because I'm a lazy person at times. Yeah, and I collect cute things because these I got these from Amazon, right? And yeah, I like cute things. Also, talking about bed, I like traditional. I like colorful things. I can say. And so yeah, this bed has, the bed sheet has so many colors: blue, green, orange, red. It has so many colors. Yeah. Also, talking about this, I have plants here. I can show you guys. So there are plants here. There's a small table and a Ganesh. Yeah, I have this. So because also one more thing, that I'm really organized, but at so at Mondays, or I can say when I'm really in a irritated mood, I just throw things here and there. So it's really gets messy at times, but not always. So yeah, I have ample space here, and that cabinet, that small table, that closet, my bed. So I have ample space so that at times when I'm really busy, I can grab the things. I can just go wherever I want to. Also, television. For me, television in my own bedroom, it's really important because I have friends, so I can just get them. I can have a movie night with them, take a bucket of ice cream and popcorn and sit with them at whole night watching any web series. After OTT platforms, television is really important at times because of dance reality shows. India's Got Talent, most important. I like that. Also, moving forward, I have this teddy and this small tiger. Also, moving forward, this wall hanging, especially this wall hanging, and this is the most, best decorative piece I can just say because. Of course, this is from China. My mom's friend, she visited India last year, so she gifted this wall hanging to me. So I thought that to place it here because it will look good. As you can see, This is the wall ID, and also about the color of the room. My room's green, because light green, and also the curtains are green and yellow, because green is the most peaceful color, if I say, and yellow and green, sorry, yeah, both are the peaceful color. I like blue. I love blue. Okay, especially royal blue. I love blue. So I have the curtains are royal blue, and this also the green mixes with that blue, and it gives a really good combo. It's a really good combo. Also, the view outside my room, you can see there's houses all around, because I live in a society, as I said in the beginning of the video. So, luckily to me, because I like flowers. I like flowers. I love to see flowers when they are around, but I can't do garden because it's really tough. Messy work for me. I can't do it. So I like flowers. So they have planted flowers all around. So it gives me peace, and whenever I go to my terrace at 4 to 5 p.m. or 3 to 6, it's best time. Also, moving forward, my bedroom is attached with a balcony, and as you can see, there's a pigeon, small. There's a pigeon here. It's sitting right there. Also, yeah. So moving forward, my balcony, a small balcony. I like this, because of the sliding windows. I like it. I love these sliding windows. It's sitting there. Look. Also, also this the best place about this balcony, this is the most favorite corner of my room. Yeah, you can see. Also, this is the most favorite part, not my bedroom, but this is the most favorite part of my which is very close to me, because I can just sit there. Also, as I said, I have plants here also. I like this place a lot. As you can see, there's a hanging money plant here. So yeah, this is the most favorite part. And talking about my own bedroom, my own favorite part is like that corner. So as said, that a piece of my that top toy is really precious to me. So I like the corner, and I like this corner, this particular corner, and also that particular corner, because it's near to the window. So I can just when it comes to about raining, so rainy days. So that place is really good. I can have a cup of tea, and I can sit there, read some storybooks. Yeah, of course. So yeah, this is my own bedroom. So if you like this video, do give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Ti amo.